Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial by Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talk. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to know if your page is eligible for monetization or when your page has gotten eligible for monetization. So what Facebook monetization means, Facebook will be able to place adverts on your videos so that you can make money as a content creator or as a video creator. So if you already have that enabled on your channel, that means you can be able to earn money from your videos you upload on your Facebook page. But if not, I don't think you'll be able to be making money. So let's dive into showing you guys how to know if your page is eligible for monetization and what other requirements that is required to get monetized on your Facebook page. So let's dive in. Now we are still going to open our Facebook Creator Studio because that's still where you manage your page and every other thing that's relating to your Facebook page. So go ahead and type in facebook.com/creator studio. And if you see that already, just click enter. But if you didn't see that, go ahead and leave everything as facebook.com/creator studio. So wait for it to load and it's going to display the Facebook Creator Studio for you and allows you to be able to input every other requirements. And if you're not logged in, it will ask you to log into your page so that you'll be able to access this particular area. So once it's loaded up for you, all you need to do is to come to this section where it says monetization. Go ahead and click on that and then wait for it to load. Now you guys should note, if you have any policy, it's not going to load up. This is what I mean. If you click on this policy issues and check to see if you have any policy issue pending by Facebook, once you violate any issue, it's going to display here. Now we have one issue which is saying TS Tech Talk has been on Facebook for less than 30 days. So this page cannot be monetized because it's a new page. So if you scroll down, you can see if you have any other policy issues that you violated so far. But if there is none showing here, that means your page is good to go and will be ready to monetize once it's reached its eligible period, once it's eligible for monetization. So now to confirm if your page is eligible for monetization, go ahead and click on this particular section that says monetization with Facebook. Now if you notice, the first page that is selected is the TS Tech Talk 2. So in order to check if this TS Tech Talk 2 is qualified for monetization, you can notice this particular section that says in-stream ad, and you can just read to know more about it. It says in-stream are short adverts that you can place including in your video to earn money. You can notice, so that's the short adverts that plays in between your videos to earn money with the advert. Now you can notice when you click on that, you can see the criteria. This is not yet qualified, and you can notice the followers are just 1%, which is still starting, and the engagement is 0%. So we need engagement that is up to 30k. These are the requirements. You can notice it's actually listed here, but it's not bold, so you might not be able to see them. And for your Facebook followers, you need up to 10,000 followers to be qualified for monetization. And for your Facebook engagement, you need 30k minutes watch on your engagement to be able to get qualified for Facebook monetization. And if you look at this particular section that says guideline policy, you haven't met the guideline policy as well. So once all these are checked, they are going to be in green color, and you can notice they will be active for you. So for the fan subscription, you can notice it actually enabled on my page and it says invite only. And then for the stars option, it says viewers can buy and send stars to you during your video, and you earn 1 cent, which is actually one cent in bracket dollar from Facebook for every star you receive from Facebook. So you can notice if people are actually supporting you with stars and trying to purchase something, Facebook is actually going to be sending you cash. I'm going to explain all this in detail for you guys later on once I make more research about it. Then the brand deals also is another way to earn money from Facebook. So if you have a brand deal enabled or active, people are going to be giving you product to be promoting, like other brands also on Facebook who are trying to promote their product, their new product. They can be getting those brands and then be giving it out to you so that you publish it on your popular page so that they will get more promotion and all this kind of content. So for this, I'm not yet qualified, and these are the requirements. I need minimum of 1,000 followers, and I need minimum of 15K post engagement within 60 days. So if I'm able to get that, that means I'll be qualified. And you can notice the list tick goes down to this particular section. You can take your time to read more of this and to understand how it works. Facebook is pretty easy to use, and the monetization is actually very, very good and interesting. So if you guys are interested in reading more things, you can just come down to check more of how they actually displayed all these settings for you. And you can notice it says 10,000K followers and 30,000 watch minutes on the video. So all these are the requirements for in-stream ad, and when you scroll down, you are still going to see the brand deals. And if you guys are satisfied with this and you actually want to get this enabled for you, just work on your channel, work so hard on your channel, and get to be enabled on that particular deal. So for mine, I'm actually very close but not yet there. You can notice this is my own kind of option. It has this it has almost 33k, 33%, and it's still growing. I'm really happy about the way it's going and I'm pleased with it. So hopefully before the year runs out, I'll be able to be monetized on this particular page. And you can notice my views engagement are already complete, and that's a good thing, and hopefully I'll get there soon with your help anyway. So I really appreciate if you guys follow my page and like it. So for the brand deals, I think I'm almost there, not complete yet anyway. So remaining the watch minute, I'm still on 62%. So very soon I'm going to get to 100%, and hopefully I'll be ready for brand deals. And you can notice every other one are green apart from this one because I'm not yet qualified. So once I get there, it's going to turn green, and then I'll be ready to get monetized. And once I get monetized, I'm definitely going to be making video for this, and I'm going to show you guys how to also activate your account for monetization and every other tips that I get my hands to. So if you guys are watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll be making more videos that will interest you and also help you to earn money on Facebook and also on YouTube. So please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below if you have any question relating to Facebook or Facebook Creator Studio, anything that I can relate to. And if you don't have any question, please smash the like button and show your appreciation also. Thank you guys. Stay home, stay safe. Peace. See you soon.